Understanding the phrase, kids stuff, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, kids stuff. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enrich your language skills. Let's dive in. Kids stuff refers to things that are simple, easy, or not serious in nature, often implying that they are suitable for children or not challenging for adults. It's important to note that this phrase can be used literally, referring to actual children's items or activities, but it's also often used metaphorically to describe tasks or topics that are considered not complex or demanding. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal usage. This puzzle is really kids' stuff. My 5-year-old finished it in minutes. 2. Metaphorical usage. After working on advanced mathematics, this basic algebra is kids' stuff. Notice how in the first example, it refers to a literal child's activity, while in the second, it's used to describe a task that's relatively simple compared to more complex ones. It's crucial to use kids' stuff appropriately. It's great for informal conversations or when trying to make a point about simplicity. However, be careful not to use it in a way that might sound dismissive or disrespectful of someone's efforts or skills. Context is key. And that's a wrap on kids' stuff. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context and how we use them. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, kids stuff, confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.